Okay, maybe let's start from where I work. Here is my desk, the external monitor that I use generally for 3D modeling or video editing and this type of things. Well, I just came from grocery and I think I have a problem. And no, I don't regret at all. I love them. It's been a while I couldn't find some new nice Hot Wheels, but this morning I was pretty lucky. I mean, look at them. This is the one from the latest Batman movie, and I know a couple of designers from Instagram. I follow them and I saw their work, the draft models, the sketches and ideation. It's amazing. And you know what? I saw this on the box, like from this angle, from a little bit top, and I saw this kind of like the wing, the fenders going backwards like the bat, and I was like, wow, is it the new one? And I just grabbed it and I saw, wow, that's the new Batman movie, the Batmobile. It's pretty cool. I'm very glad to find it because it's super brutal car. I also loved it in the movie. It's super cool. This is another one that I'm very glad to find because I saw it on Instagram when someone bought it and I was like, wow, that would be super cool to have. And this is the Bugatti ED 110 SS and it's pretty cool, very special car. Look at that. I don't have the Chiron or Veyron on Hot Wheels. I think Chiron has Hot Wheels model too, but I don't have it. Here we have a wide body Huracan. It was just a must when I saw it. It's been a while that I didn't buy any new Hot Wheels actually, so seeing this Huracan, I was like, why not? Everybody loves Lamborghini, no? And here I have RS e-tron GT, which is pretty cool. I love this car, especially from the back on some photos. I don't know if I can find, I will show you on these photos. It has very organic, nice, hip design on the back, like from back top view. This car is pretty cool. And another Audi right next to it. This is the legendary Quattro, of course in this rally colors and sponsorships and everything. So I got two Audis in one day. And the next one is the Jaguar F-Type 2022. It's the facelift version and I really like this one as well. I think I have a different color in Poland. Right now I'm in Turkey and I wanted to get the black one and leave it here. It's super cool proportions, very nice proportions, very balanced car and I really like it. Here is Pininfarina Battista, another super cool car. I'm really glad to find it as well. I think it's my first Pininfarina car as Hot Wheels or also as any other type of scale model. I'm glad to find it. The last one will be super special. I love it. I'm so happy to find it. But first I'm gonna show you two more. Here we have two off-road vehicles. One is Ford Bronco, one is the Jeep Cherokee 95, the classical one. It's really cool. I remember in my childhood in our neighborhood there was one of these, I think in a brown color. It's a very brutal, very cube-like sharp car, very rough car, and it's kind of nostalgic to have it. And here I have the new brutal car, Ford Bronco. I also really like it. I like the proportions, very wild. And here is the best catch of today, and of course it's a Porsche 911. It's the new GT3. Of course I would love to have GT3 RS too, but I don't even know if the Hot Wheels are ready for it, if they're already produced. But this one I also saw on Instagram, this color especially, and I'm so glad to have it with me here. Look at this beauty. I'm glad to have it in this color because I also have this 911 with me from a couple years before, let's say. It's the 911 934 Turbo RSR, and I think they are the same color, and together they will be very cool on my desk. I think I'm gonna open it now. Okay, maybe let's start from where I work. Here is my desk, the external monitor that I use generally for 3D modeling or video editing and this type of things. And behind the monitor I have this black foam part to reduce the echo of my sound, and also I just attach some sketches sometimes, as you see here. And on the right side I have my laptop, and here we have the mask that we just created for unboxing the Hot Wheels. And on this desk, it always changes. I always add different toys here, different models. I don't want to say them toys actually, but I generally have different models. For example, this Iron Man is kind of important one for me because it kind of represents me, the hard work. Yeah, you might ask like why, but at the first movie of Iron Man, there was a scene that Tony Stark works hard on the garage to build this suit, and I was very inspired by that. I don't know why, maybe because of all this 3D modeling and visual effects going on, and the story itself was interesting. So Iron Man here kind of inspires me when I feel down or when I want to procrastinate everything. I just go back to work and it helps me. And here we have the Ferrari GTO. I think the first model car I ever had was this, the red version of it. My father brought from Italy when I was, I think, 5 years old or something. So this car, I also have an emotional attachment with it. Also, it's a pretty car anyway. So after years, I found this black one myself in Italy, and I just bought it. The original red one, I still have it in another city in my parents' house. This one is also here. Maybe I can do a sketch or some kind of a project about this car. I really like the spec. Then we have the Porsches. I think it's my favorite brand. Like, I'm always afraid to say my favorite car or my favorite brand to any cars, but Porsche is so far the longest one that I'm always passionate about. And this one, we just bought it today, and it fits very well with the same color to this one, and I have the Targa here as well. So here I don't have much. It's a shelf from IKEA, not a shelf, it's like to hold the monitor, and I have some little stuff here. Here, this is interesting actually, because right now I'm editing the video of this. This is Huion Inspiroid Dial 2. They sent me for a review, so I'm just using it nowadays, and the review video will be soon on the channel if you're interested in digital tablets. And here, of course, I have some papers for sketching that you see on my Instagram daily. And here I have some notes about the videos and stuff. And this type of shelves are always useful because this desk is very narrow actually. And here I put some camera stuff, some pens, and of course my favorite AD Chart Park markers here. And this also I like. I don't know when I bought it, but I love these huge wheels. The monster truck. And on my left I have a shelf that you see on the background of some of my videos. Here, of course, I have amazing Daniel Simon books. This one was the first design book I bought, I think, and it's still inspiring. And about the books, I have other books in Ankara and also in Poland that I want to talk about them more, but maybe on another video. So here we have some more Hot Wheels, some more of my favorite cars here, more scale models. And some more toys here. This is a warrior tiger. It sounds stupid, but my surname is Kaplan, means tiger actually, and I think I bought this when I was young. Like, I don't know, probably to motivate myself as a tiger or something. I don't know, yeah, it's a bit embarrassing, but anyway. Here we have some Batman stuff. This is the Bat. I really like the vehicles from the movie series, like almost all of the Batman movies, all the vehicles are amazing and inspiring for me. And today, yes, today, this one we found. Unfortunately, I don't remember one by one who worked on this project, but I saw on Behance and Instagram some super cool designers who worked on this car. It's really cool. And on the top of my working place, here also another shelf, and I have some more cars, some more toys, some more books, of course. We have a Taycan here. It's also an amazing car. So here we go. This is the working place I have in Turkey right now. And these are my inspirations. I really like to keep them. And also they are kind of nice background for my YouTube videos, I think. What do you say? So after this corner here, I have a second desk here that I use generally for sketching. So more of the monitor stuff, more modeling, video editing type of stuff is happening there, and more analog sketching stuff is happening here. I really enjoy seeing other people's working place, what inspires them, what do they have on their desk, how do they work there, you know, it's always interesting for me to watch, so that's why I wanted to share with you my working space. This is the one that in Turkey, in Antalya, but I will go back to Poland because I live in Poland most of the year, so if you like this video, just let me know, like the button, hit the like button, and let me know on the comments so I can also record another one in Poland with my other working place that you see on some of my YouTube videos. So now I'm gonna unpack some of these other Hot Wheels that we bought today, and I'm gonna see you on the next video. I have definitely more of them that I didn't open yet. Do you think it's better to keep these Hot Wheels in the boxes as they are, or just removing them from the package? One side of me says it's good to remove them from the package so I can see the car from all the other angles, but the other side, I really like this art on the paper, like on the background in the package. So I'm always torn, and sometimes I just destroy the package, sometimes I don't. This is the angle I mentioned before.